Hi and welcome to this course, Build a Complete Movies API using Fast API. Fast API is one of the best frameworks that would allow you to build complete APIs. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to create a complete API using Fast API. I'm going to start by introducing you to the framework, how it works, how to install it, how to start creating simple endpoints, and then I'm going to move on with you to start building the complete movies API. You will be taught the essentials skills required to build a complete API. And by the end of this course, you will be able to start creating your own APIs, having created that complete API throughout this course. So in this course, you will be taken step by step. I'm going to start from the very basics all the way to building the complete API. And I'm going to be introducing you to the most important features that this awesome framework provides. Fast API is considered one of the best frameworks when it comes to building APIs. And by using Fast API, you will find that the process of building an API is super simple and actually fun, not just simple. Before deciding whether you should take this course or not, you need to know who is this course for, so that you can make a reasonable decision whether you should take this course or not. So I'm going to provide you with the groups that should take this course. The first group is those who want to learn how to build APIs using Python. If you want to specialize in Python, specifically in APIs, then this course is definitely for you, because Fast API is probably the best framework, is the best Python framework to build APIs. The second group is those who want to specialize in back-end development. If you love back-end development, then this course is for you. And by taking this course, you will specialize not just in back-end development, but also in Python back-end development. So if you fall into one of these groups, then I'd highly recommend taking this course. What is expected after taking this course? Well, after taking this course, first, you will have robust understanding of Fast API, the framework, and how it works, and how to work with it and how to use it effectively. Second, you will have created a complete API using Fast API framework. Third, you will have learned the skills required to build a complete API and APIs using Fast API. And most importantly, you will be able to apply for Python backend positions confidently with the project that you have created. If you have any question or questions about this course, feel free to contact me on my website, commonscode.com.